I'm Nandini Agarwal. I'm a research scholar at IIT Delhi, and I also work as a therapist. That's what it's about. So this was one of the main names that came up when I was looking at mindful organizations in India, and I also really liked the Mindful India Summit. I went to the website, I saw the summit, I saw all the pages, all the researchers we read about, Daniel Goleman, all of these people coming, talking at Mindful India Summit. I think that was like the epitome of credibility for me somewhere. And also a few people I had known recommended it to me who had done the course themselves. So I think that then it was sort of a no-brainer. I was like, yahi pe we have to go. So yeah, that's why I said yes. So while doing the program, what I really liked was the flexibility. I think there was a good mix of in-house learning that I have to do myself and the course instructor teaching us. So there was a good mix of both of the things. I like that theoretical things we could do ourselves because at our own pace, at our own time. And the practical things were taught to us in a way that kept the course interesting for me. I think that is one thing I really like. Second thing that I really liked was short meditation. I think, I don't know, of course you must know, but the John Kabat-Zinn recordings and audios, so we got access to it and those are so long. And I feel like in today's age, taking out 1 hour of my time to do a mindfulness meditation is very hard. It's almost next to impossible to do. So I really like the practical, meditations we practice in class and how we could discuss those reflections immediately. I think that helped me link it very easily to my daily life. I think the teaching style was very friendly. At no point did I think that, I'm learning something that is too difficult or I'm learning something that I'm not interested in. I think it was a very good mix of keeping it interesting, but also having the learner get takeaways, but also not making it too complicated. So at no point in time did I feel like this is becoming too much or, oh, I'm not interested. So that way, I really appreciated your teaching style, and I think you were always very open to us asking questions and receiving feedback or seeing what we are thinking. And I think that constant engagement was a great plus for me.